One of the greatest challenges of every creator is not even about the video ideas and the content creation itself, but how to get a good thumbnail. One thing I understand about thumbnail that most people don't understand is thumbnail is like the packaging of your product. Thumbnail is like what people will see first before they even click on your video. That is why I am very big on thumbnail. If I want to like post a particular video now, I would love to generate like 2 to 3 thumbnails because I've seen so many great quality content, but because the thumbnail is not good, people will not click on that particular video. So now, artificial intelligence AI has made everything very simple because there is a tool that I'm using to generate multiple thumbnails that will look exactly like your thumbnail and can even refine it. So I want to just show you the entire workflow on how I make use of that tool to generate good thumbnail without stressing myself. I'm not doing it because I just want AI to design thumbnail for me, no, but at least I want it to give me an idea and for me to have multiple options to choose from. So with that, I'm going to come up with a good thumbnail that I will be using for the video. And for this particular video I am making right now, any thumbnail that I pick from here is the thumbnail I'm going to use for this particular video. So let us walk through it together. You will see it is very simple. Now, the tool that you will use is 1 of 10. 1 of 10. It is an AI tool that helps you with idea generation and thumbnail generation. That does pretty a whole lot of things, but we are going to focus more on that part of thumbnail because I told you I am very big on thumbnail. If you want to try it out, just check the link on my description and you will come to the platform. As a new user, just sign in with your Gmail. Very simple. This is what you will see. These are maybe videos that are doing well and the kind of thumbnails that are actually going viral right now. But so let us just quickly go into the thumbnail generation part, which is here, look at here. So you click on that thumbnail generator. They will ask you to write the title you have in mind or write what the video is all about. Now, what is my title of this video? How to make thumbnail using AI. I've already typed in the name of my channel here. You understand? So you can add your channels here so that if the AI wants to generate a thumbnail for you, it will generate the thumbnail according to the thumbnails you have and thumbnails that are performing well on your channel. They will use that idea and generate a thumbnail for you. So that is the craziest thing about this. So my channel, Jazzy Nation TV, is already here. I want it to give me a thumbnail idea using my concept because one thing I know about YouTube and building a personal brand is for your channel to stand out, it must have some level of consistency in the way you create your videos. Maybe your thumbnail pattern, your color, your consistent color, your theme, your branding, those things are your branding. If somebody see your thumbnail or your text pattern on another person's video, they will know this is your concept. Because I've already have my channel here, you will see how it will generate this thumbnail for me now using my features. So this is my title: how to create thumbnail using AI. Simple and understandable. And now, if you write this title, you just click on generate and they will come up with a good thumbnail ideas for you. I did not say idea, ideas that you can choose from. So for people that wants to do something like YouTube A/B title and thumbnail test, this is perfect for you because there are some people that have difficulties in preference and they choosing a particular term. So you can use this opportunity and even try out A/B title and thumbnail test, where you can use a title and maybe add 2 or 3 thumbnails and see the one that will win, or the one that will give you more clicks, or the one that will give you more audience retention. All these things are very important. That is why I love this concept. Initially, if I'm to design traditionally with my phone using different apps of designing, I might spend like roughly 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes 6 hours trying to create multiple thumbnails that I can choose from. You understand? But with this now, it will just simplify it, and you can use this either with your laptop or mobile phone. Like right now, I am making use of my desktop. So you click on generate. Let's see. You see? you see? You see? I like this one. This first one now, I like it. I like this first one. Okay, now let us go to my channel. I want to show you something. Let it not be as if I'm just saying this thing because I'm creating content. Let me go to my channel now, Jazzy Nation TV on YouTube. Now this is my channel. Look at my team. Look at my colors. This dark red, yellow, and black, white. Like, but you will see there are dominant colors here. You get these things now. We make people, my audience, to know my content anywhere they see it. Okay, now look at my most recent video. Look at the thumbnail of that particular video and look at the rating here. Look at the rating they gave to this thumbnail. Look at the rating. Let me go back to that site and show you something. Now look at this. Like, I want you to look at that design there. Like that kind of perspective image. Now let's go back to this place. Look at it here. Another thing I want you to pay attention to is my face. Look at my face. There are some tools that you will use to generate your images. Your images, it's like the person will not look exactly like you. It will be looking like somebody else. But now look at, you don't even need the prophet to tell you that this is me. The image generation and everything is perfect. If I'm to choose between these four thumbnail, I don't like this one. This number 4, I don't like it. I like this one. I like this one because they used the concept from this thumbnail that is already performing well, that they rate like this. So this concept alone is performing well. That is the reason why I like this one. But me, I love exploring things. So I wouldn't want to repeat this one immediately. But this thumbnail is good. Or maybe I might even decide to do thumbnail test on YouTube. Add 2 of them and see the ones that will perform well. This one has too many details. Me, I love keeping my thumbnails simple and short. Let's go back to my channel. See now. Master prompt. Finish. No one cares. Stay indoor. Keep your 9 to 5. That's how I love my thumbnail. See this one. No payments. Simple and catchy. Direct to the point. So that is why I won't pick this one, because this one has so many details. Thumbnail in one click. Then has this sign here, has YouTube here, has AI here, still has AI here, has old here. No, I can't take this particular one now. I can't take this one, and I cannot take this one. So if I'm to choose, I will choose between this and this. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now look at this picture. They still use that perspective 3D design. I'm going to re-edit this particular thumbnail now. So I will click on this place, this open editor. Let me touch the thumbnail small. I love this concept. This place they wrote adjust thumbnail is if you want to increase the brightness or increase the contrast small, or maybe the saturation, you can do it from here. You understand? Can you see it? Then this one is the vibrance. So, but if you don't know about colors very well, don't even go to this place. So you will not spoil the thumbnail they generated for you. But if it's somebody that knows about color combination, color correcting, and color grading, then you can use this side. If the contrast is too much, you can reduce it small. You get? So I'm going to click on reset because I love it the way it is. If you want to edit the text, you come here. If you want to change your face, swap your face, maybe you have your own personal picture that you want them to use for this thumbnail, you can add it. For people that are starting their channel new, if you are starting your channel new, you will know that maybe you don't have enough videos yet that this tool can use to determine your concept. Maybe uploading your image for them to be using it to generate your thumbnail. Even from your first upload, you will start right. It is very important. But me, I already have my pictures and images on my channel already, so there is no need for face swap. I'm going to click this magic eraser. I will clean this creator thumbnail. I will clean it. I don't want it. Can you see it? So that particular text there is gone, and it did not even affect this picture, and it did not affect my hand or any part of my body. One thing about design is I might finish designing now, save the thumbnail, then tomorrow I'll be like, no, I have to do something else. So that is one thing. That is one crazy thing about designing. I'm going to erase this one too. For some people, they might just pick this thumbnail like that. There is nothing bad with this particular thumbnail. I just want to refine it. If you're making use of AI, you shouldn't use AI to replace your own human creativity. I do say it in my videos. I will use this AI to think through. AI will help me to modify, upscale, fasten my work, help me with ideas, generate ideas for me. So I will be able to see my own ideas come to life using the help of AI. That is the best way to use AI. Not maybe you will fold your arms and expect AI to do everything for you. No, it doesn't work that way. So they have removed those tests. So this is beautiful. I want you to pay attention to something very important. I erased this, but they still save the image for me in case I want to go back to it, and they still save that first one for me. Are you seeing it? So this is the first one. This is the first time I erased this particular one here. And now this is the empty background. So they are telling me here, describe what you want to change. So they can just add it for me here. If I don't want to use this description tab, I will just use tests. So let me say AI did this. Very good. Can even add a question mark. It will be AI did this. Your thumbnail must spark curiosity. If you want to change the text to bold, you can change it. If you want to change the color, anything you want to do. But let me just leave it at this white. It's like I will remove this question mark and just leave it as AI did this instead of did this. That time it has too many letters here and here. It was too busy. So I think this one is okay. AI did this. Yeah. I mean, you are confident. You are not asking, it's not a question. You are sure that AI did this. Look at how thumbnail and title work hand in hand. How to create thumbnail using AI. Your title. Then your thumbnail, AI did this. Most times, people see your thumbnail, not even most times, 80% of the time, people see your thumbnail even before they look at your title. So when they see your thumbnail first, they'll be like, AI did this. What did AI do? They will now go down to your title. They will see how to create thumbnail using AI. Are you seeing the connectivity between the thumbnail and the title? So this is what will now make people to click the video. Okay, let me see how to generate with AI. I've been generating by myself. Let me see what AI can do for me. That is just it. Very simple. Before you know it, you have connected your thumbnail and your title. So this is what I'm going to use. This is beautiful for me. This is beautiful for me. Even if I'm going to do other modification, the changes will be slight, but this is the basic. This is my picture showing perfectly. It's not looking like a generic picture, or it's not even looking like another person. This is me. This is my text. AI did this, and this is the thumbnail. I just click on apply. They are going to save this for me, and this is what I'm going to use. And you will see is that in this video you are watching, this will be the thumbnail, unless I am running like AB thumbnail test. Maybe two thumbnails will appear depending on the one you see, but I'm definitely going to use this for this particular video you are watching right now. Then what do you do next? You click on download. You can download on different resolution. This is 1K, 2K, and 4K. So let me use this 2K. Yeah, it has downloaded. Okay, so this is going to save directly into your device, so you can use it for your videos. Okay, this is my images. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? AI did this. If you see the title first, how to create using AI, you look at the thumbnail. Thumbnail is telling you AI did this. Oh, I want to learn how to create using AI. Thumbnail is telling you, look at what AI can do. That is how to write title and thumbnail. Look at what your title is saying. Or understand this thing. Learn how to create thumbnail using AI. And when you look at the thumbnail is telling you, see what AI did. This title and thumbnail has already created enough curiosity for you. So you now will now say, let me see how to do this. That is the curiosity. You want to find out. That is what will make you to click on that particular video. So it's very, very simple to do. It's either you go to this site, oneof10.com, or you check the link in my description and they try it for $1 just for the first month. $1 for the first month. Very, very simple. And you will have access to all these tools that I'm using to generate thumbnail, title, and every other thing. And they can even show you some of the videos or the thumbnail ideas that are doing well, basically for YouTube creators. Do you understand? I'm going to still make another video where I will maybe talk about the entire platform, because I am loving this. It's going to save you the stress of designing and redesigning again. Just give it a small prompt, small description, or even your title. If you now want to make it much easier for people that have already have a channel and built thumbnail pattern, just put in the name of your channel, then give them the title of the video. Boom, a very good and creative thumbnail ideas and option is out for you, then you pick. If you are too indecisive to pick, you can pick two or three out of the ideas they give to you, do A/B title and thumbnail test, and the best one wins. Is still a win-win for you. If you are someone that makes good quality content and you notice that you are not getting enough clicks, that is probably because your thumbnail is bad. I would just recommend you try this out, where you will have multiple options to choose from. Do you get? You will just have good quality thumbnails that will not just look like the AI generic thumbnails you are seeing flying around everywhere. You understand? If I didn't show you this now, it would be difficult for somebody to just know that most of my thumbnails, I got the idea from this particular platform. And for people who see me for the first time, my name is Jazzy, and I am a creator for the creators. I make good content showing creators how to be good content creators. That is for this channel, Jazzy Nation TV. But if you want to learn about YouTube and how to grow your YouTube channel specifically, you can consider checking my other channel, Jazzy Studios. That is where I broke YouTube down for you to understand it like an 8-year-old baby. So if what I do interests you, subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next video.